Now, if you run a Facebook page and you've uploaded Facebook video directly to that page, you might not be aware that there's a great video library available where you can organize the way you use videos on Facebook. Here's how it's done. So here I am on my Facebook page, and I can see the menu options across the top. What I'm looking for is the one that says Publishing Tools. Click on that, and then here on the left hand side under Videos, you can see Video Library. And this, with the newest at the top, is a complete list of videos that I've uploaded over time to Facebook. It could also include any live videos that I've recorded directly on Facebook. Now, one thing to note is when you actually create a video and do a post that uploads video, you don't have to go live straight away. You can actually say Save Draft. So for example, you can see the yellow dot colour. That's a draft that could be put live at some point in the future. If I was to click on that file, I could go to the option to publish or to schedule the publication. And there you see create post for this video. So any of these videos here in the library can be turned into new posts. So for example, I can take this video here, and you can see if I hover over that it's actually previously been used in 2 posts anyway, and simply go to the drop down and say create a post with this video. It's already pre-filled what's previously been put in there, and there's even this cross post option which you could post to other pages that are related to yours. But for simplicity, we could just repeat what's posted there. Again, I could save it as a draft to go out later, or I could say publish now, or I could say schedule it. So lots of options. So upload the video once to the library, and then you may be able to use it in multiple posts going forward. A couple of other things to point out. There's some buttons here. If you want to go live, you can click on live here within the video manager. It'll connect you through to your camera. And you can link it in with other software that allows you to set a time and date. So instead of saying I want to publish now, you can actually put a schedule and tell people what time you're planning to go live. So all sorts of clever features within that. There's a new feature there called Premiere, where you can actually upload a video that will get its own special viewing, and you can say, so it's brand new content, and you can do an exclusive offer or something like that around that. And then just generally, any of the videos that have been recorded either live or uploaded can actually be downloaded to your local machine at any time. Plus you can actually say to expire a video, so you can get that video and remove it essentially after a certain period of time. One other option there is prohibit embedding, so you can stop anyone who's sharing the video embedding it elsewhere, perhaps on a website or something like that, if you're worried about it being shared further afield. So once you're within the video library, you can actually just do an upload directly here rather than actually create a post first. You just say upload and go and browse for the file. And with these filter options, you can choose to filter by certain areas. So if you said date created, for example, you could say is between, let's say, April to June, and then apply that filter. And I'll just show you those videos. There's lots of great features to really get organised. It's part of the process of Facebook putting much more emphasis into video. That's it from me. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.